Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, The Simple Cozy Haven. In today's video, I wanted to share our home decorated for Christmas at nighttime. An easy but delicious recipe mixed in with a story about how my husband and I got started in the DIY world. I'll be sharing our Christmas home at night at the end of this video, so be sure to stick around for that. And the recipe will be listed in the description box, so if you ever want to reference that in the future, it will be there. I hope this video inspires you and makes you feel like you just came over and hung out with a friend. I just looked and saw that there are over 1,400 of you, and that is just crazy to think about. I'm so honored that you're watching and decided to stick around, and I'm truly so thankful for you all, and I hope you know that. So my husband and I got married almost 8 years ago, actually 2 days away from our 8th anniversary, and we were newlyweds on a super tiny budget. I'm sure this is relatable to so many people, but before our wedding, my husband Robbie had found an Anna White coffee table plan. She has this whole website full of free DIY plans, and he found this coffee table and he built it for us, and we ended up later on staining it and painting it and all of these things, but that was part of our step into DIY. And I've always had an interest in home design and home decor, and we definitely had to make do with our hand-me-down furniture and then pieces that we both brought in from growing up. And one thing we learned was that it was way cheaper to DIY a piece of furniture that we wanted than to buy it. So that's what we started doing. Robbie had been scouring Craigslist at the time, and this was back when Craigslist was a thing still. It actually might still be a thing, I'm not sure, but he found a miter saw for $50, and it just happened to be in the same town my parents lived in. So one day when we were visiting them, he went and picked it up, and that was kind of the beginning of it. We have used that saw. We got all $50 out of that thing, but we just slowly started building our own things. One of the first projects we did together was building a headboard, and we ended up kind of turning that into a little side hustle. We built probably about 5 different headboards in different sizes and different finishes for people, and made a little bit of money off that, and we would use that to go buy new tools. Like we bought a new sander, and we just slowly accumulated tools and skills to create better things. And looking back, we'll probably look at our photos of projects that we did and we're like, oh my gosh, that was just so terrible, but at the time that was the best we could do. And with every single project we learned more and got better, and our skills improved. That goes without saying, but it's really interesting to look back at that time and kind of see, we were just making do with what we could. We had a newborn at that time, and we're just trying to make a little bit of extra money and do things that we enjoyed together, and that was one of our passions that we had together. So that was really fun to explore and learn about each other, and it really is just fun to look back and see what all we've created and what we would change differently. So that's just kind of how we got started, and it really was just out of budget and necessity. We wanted a certain look of things and couldn't afford to go buy it at Pottery Barn. Still can't go to Pottery Barn all the time. I'd love to, but we've got 3 little boys at home, so that's definitely a priority. But it definitely taught me a lot about myself. Like, that's kind of where my passion to teach women and show women how to create beautiful homes on a budget came from. I felt very inspired watching the Martha Stewart documentary where she was talking about being able to create something beautiful on a small budget. And I was like, I relate so much to that, because that's what I try to share on here is you can create a beautiful, beautiful home even if you're on a super small one income budget, or you just don't have the funds to go spend thousands of dollars every month on new home decor. So that's kind of where my passion began, and I can't wait to share more with you guys coming in 2025 for the channel and my blog. And again, I'm just so thankful to have you guys here. This is like 13-year-old Kaylee's dream of being here. So anyways, we are about to start the home tour, but I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I will talk to you guys later. am so glad that you decided to join me for today's video. Today I kind of wanted to take you along for a cozy evening at home with me. I made some grilled cheese and homemade roasted tomato soup, and it was amazing. I love it, and it's so easy, and it's meals that just warms you up and just reminds you of the good old days, you know, like we always talk about those days, but little do we know that we are also living in the good old days. But I just made a little cup of tea, and I kind of wanted to just show you around the house this evening, kind of like a candlelight lamp soft lighting tour. I love my home at night, and I just think it's so cozy and so inviting, so I wanted to bring you along for that and just share that with you guys. I'm not going to be talking in this, it's just going to be really soft music, and I hope you guys enjoy that. And again, I'm so glad that you're here today. I hope that this video can be some inspiration to you if you're going through a hard time. Just know that I am thinking about you. I know that the holidays can be a lot, and you know, the world is just kind of crazy, but let's try to make the best of it. And especially I've got 3 little boys, so I'm trying to keep the magic of Christmas alive. So I hope that you will join me for the rest of the video and enjoy coming through my home. that wraps up my cozy candlelight home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it was just relaxing and just something to kind of inspire you and relax you for the week ahead. I do hope you guys have an amazing week and I will chat with you guys again on Thursday. Have a great night, y'all. Bye.